Hello, and welcome to CalusPrep's video log. I'm Chris Lee. So a couple months ago, we looked at a really hard SAT math problem. I outlined a basic strategy, which I'd like to reiterate now. When you encounter difficult problems, like this one, it's always best to put them off. I know many of you like to charge through the test, answering each question sequentially, and I do this too sometimes. However, you can really benefit from skipping past these tough questions. Guessing incurs no penalty, and you can always come back to a difficult question at the end of the test, when you have plenty of time to spare. Let's take a look at the example. As we solve this question, I want you to think about all the steps involved. Think about how easily you can make a single calculation error and end up with the wrong answer. Think about how much time you could waste fighting for just a single point. Okay, so this is a complex word problem that asks you to convert units. Starting with the amount of jet fuel used in the Apollo 11 mission, we must find the total energetic content of this fuel. Then, we need to convert from megajoules to kilocalories. Finally, we use the energy density of sugar to calculate how much sugar contains this same amount of energy. Now, this is a calculator question, so you really just need to make sure you set up the equation correctly. Then you plug in all the numbers and arrive at your answer. Remember to check your work before you finalize that answer. And when you encounter a really hard SAT math problem on the actual test, don't be afraid to skip it. You'll make sure you have plenty of time for easier questions, and when you return to the hard problem at the end of the section, you'll be a little more relaxed knowing you aren't wasting that valuable time. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.